Okay, so here is my plan. This is a Ertl General Lee. Doors are welded fast. Detail's pretty good on it. Not 100%. Interior's decent. Decent color-wise and stuff, but they really skimped on this engine. Look at this crap. So I had a busted up Challenger laying around with this happened to be a 427 engine in it. So what I'm planning on doing, I painted this up. Basic gist of what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this engine in this car, hopefully. I might have to reuse their manifolds to go with this exhaust. Don't know yet. It can't look any worse than it already does. So I'm going to start tearing this apart and getting into it. So back once again with the General Lee, and I completed the modifications and ran into some issues. Here is the original engine out of it. I did pull some shit off of it. As you can see, underneath the car, when this goes in, there's a screw that goes from the inside down. So it's not a full transmission, which kind of had some issues, because the engine that I put in, let me show you the bottom here, does have a full transmission. Also, the exhaust manifolds from this didn't quite match up to this engine. So I took the originals and I cut them, and then I just ran them in, glued them in. Not too bad of a job. That one's off a little bit. Put a little paint on them. And also in the interior, the original car, I think, was pretty much automatic, but this diecast model had a large 4-speed on it. So the engine I took out of a Challenger, so I just took the much better looking pistol grip shifter and put it in. So now on to what we've all been waiting for. Here's the Hemi engine installed. I did paint it up a little bit better. And this garbage engine had a distributor in it. So I pulled the distributor off and I put it in there. I'm pretty sure that's where it goes. If not, it just looks good. I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. The fan did not fit, so I just left it off. Still looks pretty good in there. It fit decently well. To get that engine out, I did have to cut a couple of these pieces, and to put this engine in, I just glued the hell out of it. I could paint that, I guess, to make it look a little better. And once again, with almost every die cast I ever do, I can never get, I don't know if you can see it there, the hole for the steering to work. I can never seem to get them back in, but that's a moot point. I have been thinking about getting, there's somebody that makes a decal sheet, have the back decals, and license plate's a little better. I haven't been thinking about putting a antenna on, CB antenna, but I don't know if that'll ever happen. But it does look pretty good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications for when